Hello, in this video I will demonstrate the problem described by Michael in his article. And after watching this video, please go and read this article so you know what options you have and how you avoid corrupting customer data. So here I have a table and a couple of jobs. The table has only 3 fields, and this is what it looks like at the moment, 2 records. And the code is taken from the article with some changes. So here what I'm doing is I'm calling this method named post, which is supposed to increase the amount on the debit record and decrease the amount on the credit record with the same value. So what we do here, we put a breakpoint on the credit record because this is where we will reproduce the update problem. And then I have another job which I have to open in another client, this one. So let me put a breakpoint here. So now I'm running this job. It's stopped in the debugger. You can see TTS level is 1 and it's about to select a record. So let it select a record from the database. Then I go to the second job, also run it, and select the same record. Now what I do, I continue with the second job. I change text on this record and then I update it. Now I'm done. I go back to the first debugger, and if I try to update the record, it will fail because we have an update conflict. Okay, so now if I finish the job, I see that the text on the credit record has changed because the second job updated the text, but the amount is the same. So the first job failed and the amounts are not changed. So we don't have data inconsistency. So far so good. Now I add another TTS scope around the post method call. And I will reset data. So we again have records without text, the same amount. So now I run same jobs. Then in the debugger I will select the same record again. Then I finish the second job on the second client. And here, when I'm trying to update, the catch block did work, but you see the TTS level is still 1. So eventually we have TTS commit, and now that I check the data, I see that the debit amount has been updated, but credit amount has not been updated, despite the fact that our code looks robust. So this is a demo. Now please go to the article, read it, and never do this mistake. Thank you.